to accreditations, to rankings, and whether transfer of knowledge, what we call it, happens in a proper way.
With respect to the teaching methodology, from day one I knew that I've made the right choice because from the first lecture I've noticed that my teachers had also a professional backgrounds besides their teaching careers, so they are very practice oriented, they are very available and open, and I was very much surprised about that. They are always available to help you and to make you understand which direction you want to go within your studies, within your master thesis, and you learn more than academic content going to classes. You learn on a personal level.
I study in Masters in Economics and I chose Tilburg University for a variety of reasons. First, the program is structured well and it has different available specialization tracks, and at the same time you can also compose your own curriculum, which is the flexibility, is offering the great level of flexibility. And second, there's an availability that you conduct research, you can write your thesis, and I took into consideration before I came to Tilburg University. And third, it was a financially feasible move for me, and this is because I received a generous scholarship.
The benefit for me of doing my international master degree here is that I can make friends here right now from all around the world with a great diversity, but in the future they are going to be my colleagues, so I can create a network with them and work with them in the future.
Tilburg University offers tremendous number of international master programs and with lots of specializations, more than 50 actually, fully English taught. And these programs offer actually a variety of tracks also where students can specialize under a broad label. We offer a lot of programs in the fields of economics, business management, law, social sciences, humanities, communications, and not to forget a very important one, that's data science. And in that way, this specialist university can offer lots of different programs for international students.
Tilburg University's motto is understanding society, and that means that we focus on broader societal